Regina?
Where are you?
I can feel you. Where's the camera?
I don't know.
Chad?
Where's Chad?
Here it is. Oh, I think I found the camera.
Okay.
Okay, I can't see anything though.
Okay, we just gotta get out of here.
Okay, Regina?
Right here.
Wait, is this you?
Oh, yeah, I'm right here, V.
Oh, wait. What? Why's your nose so hard?
Huh?
Are you wearing a mask? What are you doing?
No.
Take it off! Take it! What? Wait, let go of me, Regina! Let go of me! What are you doing?
I'm not touching you.
Long time no see, Qwaint.
Who is this? Where are you taking us? I can't see anything either. I think it is a hacker though. Regina? There? Oh, okay. Okay, don't leave. So where? Who's that? That sounds like an evil hacker.
How adorable.
Oh my gosh. Who are you? Oh my god. Wait,
Okay, enough touching.
I think it's coming back. My vision's coming back.
Welcome back to the land of color.
Whoa! Who are you?
What's wrong with your mask?
What's wrong with your face?
Don't I look familiar?
Wait. What does IX mean?
That's Roman numeral number, Regina. It means 9. Are you PZ9?
Yes, I'm PZ9. Ha ha! I'd like to play a game.
Okay.
Behind me, 3 boxes. And in one of them is your beloved Chad.
What? Chad? Chad?
Whoa.
Chad!
We're gonna play the game right.
What? What do you mean? Justin, if that's you, just let me know. We're best friends, Justin.
How about let's just play a game of trivia? And you have 3 lives. For every question you get wrong, I crush a box.
Wait, what? You're gonna beat up one of these boxes that's Chad's in? You're gonna beat your best friend, Justin? Chad! Chad!
Well, I might not. If you pass, I'll let Chad go. How about that?
We should just play the game. We can't outfight PZ9, but we can outsmart him.
That is true.
We just can't get 3 wrong.
All right, we can do that. We're very smart.
Glad you decided to play. First question. What was the first ninja gadget that I ever used on the spy ninjas?
The first time we encountered PZ9 was in the desert, and he threw ninja stars at us. Final answer.
You're wrong!
What? Chad in there? Chad? Chad's not in there. He kicked us so hard.
I know, I didn't know he was gonna be that violent.
Why would you do that to Chad, your best friend? And you're a liar, PZ9, because the first time we saw you was in the desert. You threw ninja stars at Chad.
Well, are you sure that's the first time you've ever seen me?
You're such a liar, PZ9! Chad! Gosh! What the heck, Justin?
What's wrong with you? So scary.
That's a spicy kick from a spicy senorita. I'm trying to have here an entertaining game, and you're messing it up, Qwaint. So how about you follow the rules and play along?
How about you let out my husband, Chad, your best friend?
Well, maybe you can get all the questions right for once. If you try it again, I'm gonna destroy both of these boxes and yourselves.
What? Gosh, I don't think that's Justin. Justin has never pushed me that hard before. Justin's way nicer than that.
I know, but you never know what Project Zorgo did to PZ9 or Justin. They could have put the mind control thing on him and now he's really mean. I don't know, it might be him, it might not be him, but we just gotta get Chad out, I guess. That's the first thing we gotta do.
Okay.
Okay, V. Since you think you're such a good ninja,
I am a good ninja. What are you talking about?
tell your camera girl to follow me.
Huh? That's you, I think.
Okay.
Oh, jeez.
Tell me, what kick is this?
Wow, that was actually really impressive. But as a great spy ninja, I know exactly what that move is. It's called a tornado kick. Was that right?
You're right. I'm kidding.
Oh my God. What is wrong with you? PZ4, did Project Zorgo do this to you too? I mean, sorry, Regina.
PZ4?
Huh? Ah!
What?
Yes, she. What?
Hey! Look at it!
Rude!
Why are you laughing at her?
You looked way better with your mask on.
That is so mean! What the heck? Gosh,
rude.
That is so rude.
I don't like him.
I don't like him either.
Are you scared to take off your mask? Are you hiding something underneath there? that you don't want us to see?
What is that? You don't even have a real mask, and your teeth, they're all derpy.
Yeah, derp.
I never thought I'd see the day that we'd see another Project Zorgo member with the Spy Ninjas.
You should be next, Justin, maybe. I don't know who you are.
No allegiances to anybody. I work by myself.
Wait, what do you mean you're by yourself? Are you not with Project Zorgo anymore?
No hackers, no ninjas, no spies, just me, all by myself.
You're no longer with Project Zorgo? What happened to you in that tunnel? What did they do to you? Oh, jeez.
I spent day after day by myself. I learned how to be alone, how not to rely on anyone. I didn't need friends or family. I just needed myself.
But you don't have to be by yourself if you're with the Spy Ninjas. Daniel knows, Regina knows, we are a good group. You should just come and join us.
Spy Ninjas?
Oh my
And get embroiled in all the drama that you guys deal with and dealing with Project Zorgo, I never wanted again.
Oh gosh.
Oh my gosh, you have anger issues, man. Talk to someone, my gosh.
Yeah, do we need to have a heart-to-heart, PZ9? We can help you, you know.
Heart to heart.
Yeah, heart-to-heart.
Too bad. I don't have a heart.
Oh my gosh.
You ripped it out of my body and you spit all over it. And before this mask broke, my heart was shattered.
It's a little awkward.
What did you do?
I didn't do anything, really.
Okay, back to the game, ladies. When I first took a step inside Daniel's bachelor pad,
Bachelor?
Bachelor pad? I don't know. It's more of like an empty house.
Regina, or maskless PZ4, she was assisting me on a mission where you were under the control of B235. What was the first ninja weapon I stole from the Spy Ninjas?
Ooh, that's a tricky one. I was under B235, so my mind is all foggy. Regina, do you know?
I was working with PZ9, and I actually am the one that put the B235 on you. So.
Oh.
But anyways, that's in the past. Let me think. Ninja Gadget, I don't even know the names of these Ninja Gadget. Maybe you could help me. I'll describe it to you, okay?
I'll help you, but like you didn't help me back
It was
then.
in the past. We're helping each other now. It was a sword of some sort.
Okay, a lot of Ninja Gadgets are. Do you know, like, is there a color?
Yeah, there was a color. It was green.
So I definitely think it's a katana.
Uh-huh.
And if there's a green on the tip, I think Chad has... it's the green edge katana. It must be it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I believe that.
Yeah.
I trust you.
Yeah, tell him.
Me?
Yeah. Didn't he ask you?
Okay, fine. I'll tell him. It was the green edged katana.
You sneaky, sneaky little spy ninja.
What?
You tried to unmask me. Someone once told me that no one should ever be forced to do something that they would never want to do unless they are absolutely ready. Flashback.
We shouldn't force anyone into doing something that they're not comfortable with.
You.
Me? That was me.
Yeah. In the prisons or something.
What? Look, just tell us the answer. Right or wrong, is it the green edge katana?
Project Zorgo's main colors are black and green, and that sword spoke to me. That's why I chose it. You're correct. Green-edged katana.
Next time, can you just give us a short answer, yes or no? Because, yeah, I don't want to hear your stories.
Yes.
What?
Just come here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Spy Ninja meeting.
I finally get to be included in these.
Yeah, and it's only two of us. It's a small one. When I was standing over there, I noticed that there was a key hanging out of his hoodie.
All right.
So we gotta take the key.
Yeah, okay,
What's
so what's the game plan?
Look at ketchup and mustard taking all day.
Hey, we're just ready for a carnival, okay?
Yeah, and ketchup and mustard are great on hot dogs.
Well, relish the moment.
Dang, you got jokes, man. PZ9.
He's always been good at puns. Is Justin good at puns?
Yes, very good. He's very witty, and he knows a lot of accents.
Are you Justin?
Question 4. Who is my favorite superhero?
Hey, that's an unfair question. We don't know anything about you, PZ9.
I know Justin's favorite superhero because he's my best friend, but I don't know if you're Justin or not.
V, I think he is Justin. All signs are pointing to PZ9 is Justin.
So if you're really Justin, your favorite superhero is Iron Man. Oh my gosh.
What are you doing, V Qwaint?
Oh no.
How dare you!
Oh my gosh! Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine.
You're a cheater, pumpkin eater, V Qwaint!
It's not Halloween or Thanksgiving. I haven't had pumpkin in so long. What are you talking about?
First of all, you tried to pickpocket me.
It was an accident? Maybe?
And second of all, I'm a DC fan. I like Batman. You're wrong.
So are you Justin or not?
Yeah.
I'm the one that's asking the questions!
V,
Oh gosh.
what's wrong with this guy?
I don't know if it's Justin. I have never seen Justin this angry before. I don't think our plan's working.
He's just getting angrier and angrier.
But maybe we should just try the nice way.
Oh, the nice approach.
Yeah, like the Spy Ninja approach.
If he really is Justin, he'll have to feel some sort of compassion towards you, V. You're his best friend.
That's right. And there's only one box in there, and Chad is definitely in there. We can't let PZ9 do what he did to that box like he did to those box. Justin?
Hi, Justin. Hi, PZ9.
Okay, Justin, I just want to remind you of some good times that me, you, and Chad had together. Remember when you met Chad in karate class when you were younger?
So sweet.
And then you were the one that brought me and Chad together. You introduced me and Chad. Yeah, you're pretty much a Cupid. You even initiated our wedding. You married me and Chad.
Sorry, I had my AirPods in. What happened?
You didn't hear any of that?
What the heck? She just gave the nicest speech that I've ever heard in my entire life. And you're just gonna do her like that? What is wrong with you, PZ9?
Okay, all right. I'm supposed to be the angry one here. Let's finish this game. You can email me later. It's the last box, so we all know who's hiding in here. I had a battle royale with Chad over what mysterious chemical?
Okay, Spy Ninjas, gotta put our thinking caps on. What are all the chemicals that we have encountered? I think there's the 78X, B235, and CH4D. So that's 3. Which one is it? If you guys know, please leave a comment down below right now.
Okay, I know this one. It was B235. For sure, 100%. I'm positive.
Wait, how do you know it so sure and remember this vividly?
I'm just really good at trivia, so
Wait,
I know this.
Were you there? Was that?
What?
Was that you?
Huh?
I remember fighting someone.
What?
They weren't very good, but was that you?
Well, okay, yeah, but you beat me. And I laid down.
Oh my gosh, I just don't know what to do.
You beat me up, so.
But did all these horrible things to us. It's just.
You know what? I think I'm trying to make up for it now.
Awkward.
But yeah, I'm very sure it's B235.
Okay.
Hacker Man, PZ9 Justin boy.
Man, I could have taught you how to fight better. Instead, you went from fierce hacker to open casket funeral.
Oh, help me! Hey, I have better ninjas training me right now.
Yeah, she's gonna improve. She's gonna be able to kick your butt.
And PZ9, we have an answer for you.
Yes, it's for sure. Final answer, it's B235.
Oh gosh.
Correct! Yes! I don't even know what it does.
Oh, yeah, because you're PZ9. You're not even in the top 5.
Ooh!
Last question. When I was trapped here in the tunnels, who was the last person to give me sustenance?
Were you in the tunnels with him last?
I was. I remember I saw him and he was needed water. He was not okay. And I remember I gave him water because I'm a hero. Yeah.
Okay.
I save lives, okay?
Okay. I mean, doctors save lives. I mean,
Hey, PZ9.
Hey! Don't act like we're friends.
I have the answer for you. It was me, PZ4, who saved your life in the tunnels. I gave you water, man. And you're doing this to us? What's wrong with him?
Wait, is that yes or no? Is that right or wrong?
You wish you were the one who saved me. It was Chad and Daniel who saved me.
Oh no!
No!
What?
What?
They gave me water. You gave me a bad heartache. Game over.
Oh no!
You lose.
My goodness.
Oh no!
It's Chad Bandana! Oh no! My God, Chad! Oh my God, Chad!
What's wrong with you? What?
Hasta la vista, baby.
Yeah, get out of here! Faith, is he okay?
Chad!
Wait,
Chad! Chad's not in here! There's a big hole in this box on the other side! Do you think Chad escaped? Chad must have escaped!
he definitely tore a hole in this cardboard box and he got out through the back somehow, and while we were distracting PZ9, he probably got away.
Yeah, he's a great spy ninja. He would
is.
totally do that. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad he's fine.
Is PZ9 around here?
Wait, where is he?
I think he went running that way.
Oh my gosh, where did he go?
Oh no.
Okay, we need to investigate this. Thank you so much to all you spy ninjas who show up whenever I post a brand new video. I'm showing your comments right here. Make sure to subscribe to me, to Chad, to Daniel, and Regina. And make sure to check out this video right here. And I will see you guys next time. Kick Mom!
Kick Mom!